today will make the best PC ever without any budget whatsoever. Let's drop in with the best CPU of our time right now in 2025, which is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. It's a 4.7 gigahertz 8-core processor. It's perfect, and it's a bit expensive. Amazon, you'll find it for the same price as everything else, apart from Newegg, which is just like a couple dollars higher. Free shipping though, so I wouldn't mind. It does take 120 watts of power, which is really high, but it does have a Zen 5 microarchitecture, 16 threads, which is pretty good. So it has Radeon integrated graphics, but in this PC you won't need them. The CPU cooler, one of my personal favorites, the Asus ROG, I don't know how to pronounce it, Ryzen 3 ARGB Extreme liquid CPU cooler. It's perfect. It fits in with the white aesthetic, and it has a LCD panel in the front. How cool is that? You can get one of these for yourself at Amazon around $460, but apparently on BH you can get it for $350, which is a bit sketchy if you ask me. Again, you have the most trusted or least trusted site, Newegg. You can get the same price as Amazon with free shipping, and it's in stock. It does go up to 2,800 rolls per minute, which is perfect. It's not that loud either, at only 36 decibels, and it fits in with AM4, AM5, which we are using today, and every other panel you could possibly think of. It is 360 millimeters though, so you will need a big case for it, which I'll just get onto. Well, for the thermal paste, you don't need anything fancy. This will do. Now onto the motherboard, possibly the most important thing. Okay, it's pretty steep for a lot of people, but then again, this is a top of the line build, so $280, and you can get it from anywhere, to be honest. Free shipping, and well, it does have Wi-Fi. It is ATX and it's AM5, perfect for our CPU. If you go down, you can see it does have 256 GB of memory, 4 memory slots, which is basically every other motherboard on the planet. And here are the other details if you do want them. Onto the memory, onto the RAM, we have the Corsair Dominator Titanium 64 GB. It's a DDR5 6600 megahertz speed, which is absolutely great. For the prices, you can get them for around $350 on any site again, and it has free shipping. If you go down, you can see the speed is really high, and overall it's just a great memory. It also fits the white aesthetic we're going for, so it's a great choice. Onto the storage. As you know, in nowadays gaming world, 1 terabyte is just not enough. So why don't you get a 2 terabyte M.2 solid state drive? You can get this from any site, genuinely any site. You can pick it up from Alibaba if you wanted, which I wouldn't recommend, for around $150 to $180, in that range, which is not bad for a 2 terabyte memory slot. And it is fast, pretty nice speeds, and as you can see from all the comments, it's definitely good. So now you might be shocked what I've chose for the graphics card. You might be expecting like a 5090, but I went with the Steel Legend Radeon RX 9070 XT. Before you say anything, the 5090 is barely available. You're not going to get that anywhere for now. Plus, it's great value for the price, and right now it is on the top of the line. 16 GB VRAM, enough for mostly any game that you throw at it. I'm not sure about Indiana Jones. That game is just next level, but then again, perfect video card. It does have a steep price though, going from $700 all the way to $1,000 on Amazon. I would try and get it off Newegg if possible, but as you can see, it is out of stock. you'd probably guess that because the price is really, really good. And if you see, it does have really nice speeds, boost clock, you know, really nice overall card. And it fits in with the white aesthetic once again. Look at this beauty. For the case, it's something you lot all probably expected. The Hytewire 70 Touch Infinite. First of all, it's an ATX case, which is perfect for our build. And we needed a big case. A 360mm AIO is not going to fit in a tiny case. And of course, it has the screen in the front, which is just perfect. You can get one of these for around 380 to 450, but they will be really hard to get because these are in high demand. Not as high as the 5090 though. It does have tempered glass. It's white, which fits in with the aesthetic one again, and it's got gigantic dimensions, which is perfect for our build. For the power supply, even though we're only using 600 watts, you'd like to get a 700 to 750 watt in case you ever choose to upgrade something. So this is the Corsair SF750. It's a beautiful card, and it is 80 plus platinum, so you're not going to have any worries about it blowing up overnight. And there you go, here's all the information if you do want it. There's not much to say on the operating system, just get this and you'll be fine. The fans, we're going to be really stereotypical. Lee & Lee Uni fan. It's perfect. It does the job. It looks great. It might not be the best choice ever. It is really popular. But then again, it's not bad. You can get one of the 3-pack bundle for $90 to $130. And in our build, we'd like to have 2 of these packs and maybe 1 extra if you do want. But like, you probably will need that. Just add another 50 or so. And for the controller, which is really important because you have to control the lights, you can use any company, but a Lee & Lee Unihub SL controller would be great since it is made for the specific fans. Apart from that, the monitor is not needed, to be honest. Apart from that, the build does come out to a whopping $3,645.41. If you do want that in pounds, here you are. Pounds, that's just under £3,000. So here's the top of the line PC that you can get in 2025 without any problems of stock. And hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for the next video. Way more will come. Comment down below another budget that you would like, or if you would like to see me actually build this. So please subscribe so I can earn the funds for this. Thank you. Bye bye.